Welcome all. Hope you all are well. Today we'll be covering the topic close packed structure, that is of first chapter in chemistry. So in this we'll be studying about the structures and how the close packed structures are being formed. In solids the structures are formed by the packing of particles. The particles are being closely packed together so that leading to a crystal. So, in a crystal, the spheres or particles they arrange themselves in such a manner that they occupy maximum available space and they leave minimum empty space. For example, here the particles are arranged in such a manner that they are occupying maximum possible space and they are leaving minimum possible space. So this type of packing is known as close packing, where particles occupy maximum available space and leaving minimum empty space. Now there are some steps in which these constituent particles build up 3D structures. So for building up of 3D structures, we have to first build 1D structure, that is one dimensional structure. So first step is close packing in one dimension. Here the particles or the spheres are arranged in a row. You can see they are arranged in a row. The one particle is touching another particle is touching another one, then is another one. So the particles are touching each other, and here each sphere is in contact with neighboring two spheres. You can see, if I talk about this sphere, it is in contact with first and second sphere. So the nearest neighbors of this sphere is 2. So the number of nearest neighbors give the coordination number. The number of nearest neighbors is the coordination number. So the coordination number in 1D is 2. So here's the definition. Coordination number. Number of nearest neighbors of any constituent particle in a crystal is known as its coordination number. Now close packing in 2 dimension. As it is said 2 dimensions, so here we'll be taking 2 rows. So the 2 rows. So one row and the other row is arranged over one above the other. So these arrangement of rows over one above the other, then that can be done in 2 ways. So the first way is 2D square close packing, 2-dimensional square close packing. In this packing, the second row is placed exactly above the spheres of first row and third row over second, and so on. So it is very fast now. Now let me explain you this with the help of a diagram. Here this is the first row. This is row A type row, first row. And the spheres of the second row is placed just above the spheres of the first row. So the arrangement is same. So this row is also of A type. In the same way, second row over third row and fourth row over the third row. Now as the arrangement is same, A. So this type of arrangement is known as A type of arrangement. Now again we need to find out the coordination number. So if I find out the coordination number of any sphere in this, suppose I find out the coordination number of this one. So this sphere is in contact with this sphere, this sphere, this sphere and this sphere. So these 4 spheres are touching this sphere. So the nearest neighbor of the spheres are 4 in AA type of arrangement. So on joining the centers of these spheres, what you get is a square. So therefore it is known as square close packing in 2 dimension. This type of packing is known as square close packing in 2 dimension. So the coordination number here is 4. Here one row is arranged just above the another layer. Therefore, arrangement is A type of arrangement. Next one is 2D hexagonal close packing. HCP. HCP, hexagonal close packing, two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Now, in this, we'll come to the figure first. This is the first row A. And the second row is placed over the depressions of the first row. यहाँ पर जो भी खाली space था, the depression of the first row, over that the particles are being arranged. Over that only the particles are being arranged. So therefore, again, this is the second row, and the third row is arranged over the depressions of the second row. As you can see, this row, first row and third row is having the same arrangement, and this is exactly over this, this is exactly over this, this is exactly over this. In the same way, second row is having the same arrangement as that of fourth row. This exactly above this, this exactly above this, this exactly above this. So first and third row are same, second row and fourth row are same, but first row and second row are different. So if this row is of A type, then second row will be of B type. As first and third row are same, so they both are of A type. As second and fourth row are same, therefore they both are BB type. So the arrangement is AB type of arrangement. Now again we'll find out the number of nearest neighbors. So here, if I find out the number of nearest neighbors of this sphere, so how many spheres are touching this red sphere? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 spheres are touching this sphere. So the number of nearest neighbor is 6, and the arrangement is, so the coordination number is 6. Now if we join the center of these nearest neighbors, we'll get a hexagon. So this type of packing is known as hexagonal close packing or HCP. You can see the empty space. These are the depressions. These empty space between the particles in close packing is known as void. The empty space in close the empty space in close packing is known as void. You can see this empty space, these triangular structure, this triangular structure, this is a empty space. This empty space is the void, or the depressions is the void. In SCP, one row is arranged just above the other, and in HCP, the other one row is arranged above other in such a manner that they fill their depression. SCP is of AA type and HCP is of AB type. So that's all for today. Thank you.